Hi students, this is your today's class probability. Already we have completed up to 26th question. It's from 27. So listen the question. It's all word problem. So you are read the question twice. So listen. A box contains 19 balls bearing numbers 1 to 19. So start from 1 to randomly up to 19. A ball is drawn at random from the box. So drawn at random now 1 to 19 one cycle, again 1 to 9. That is the random formation. Find the probability that the number on the ball, a prime number, and divisible by 3 or 5. Next neither divisible by 5 and an even number. Okay, listen ma. I hope you understand the question. So see the solution. First, what is the total number of balls? 19. So total number of n of s is equal to 19. Next, first question, a prime number. So here it starts from 1 to 19. What are all the prime numbers we have? 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17 and 19. So probability formula you can write once enough. So P of E equal to number of favorable outcomes divided by total number of possible outcomes. This is the first event. So P of E1 equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 8 by what is the total value? 19. So 8 by 19. Second subdivision, divisible by 3 or 5. So 3 or 5 now, one number should divisible by 3 or number. That means using these two number, that number should be multiple at least anyone. So 3, 5, 6, 9, 10, 12, 15, 18. These are all the numbers divisible by 3 or 5. So 8 by 19. Next, third one, neither divisible by 5 nor by 10. That means, listen, neither nor that number should not divisible by 5 and 10. So except that numbers remaining on the probability. Listen, 1, 2, 3, 4. 5 is divisible by 5. We are not take that because neither. That means 5 ஆலையும் 10 ஆலையும் divisible ஆகாத remaining numbers. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8, 9. 10 is not divisible. Sorry, 10 is divisible, so we are not take this number. So 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 is divisible. We are not take 16, 17, 18, 19. So totally 16 numbers are here. So probability of E3 equal to n of E3 by n of S3 equal to 16 by 19. Next, and even number. This is easy. So 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 up to 18. So 9 numbers are multiples by 2. So 9 by 19 is the answer for that. Next, 29th question. Read the question clearly. Tickets number 3, 5, 7, 9. Listen, these are all the odd numbers. This odd number start from 3 up to 29 are placed in the box and mixed thoroughly. Once one ticket is drawn at random from the box. So if 3 to 15, 3 to 25 we have numbers. In that ticket we can take one ticket out. Find the probability that the number on the following conditions. First, a prime number as usual. First, we need to identify what is the total number of tickets are there. So it starts from 3, 5, 7, 9, etc. up to 29. These are all the even numbers. So you need to find the total sample space. 3, 5, 7, 9. After what is the odd number? 11, 13, 15, 17, 19, 21, 23, 25, 27, 29. So what is the sample n of s equal to 14? So totally we have 14 tickets. So what is the first question? A prime number. So P of E1 equal to as usual probability formula. So prime numbers now 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17, 19, 23, 29. These are all the prime numbers. So totally we have 9 prime numbers are there. So what's the value? 9 by total value 14. Second subdivision, a number less than 16. So using this total value, we need to find the less than 16. So 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, 13, 15, 17 is not possible because less than 16. So what is the total value? P of Et equal to n of E2 divided by n of S2 equal to 7 by 14. Next, a number divisible by 3. So divisible by 3, now that number should be divisible by 3. So what are the numbers? 3, 9, 15, 21, 27. So probability of E3 equal to n of E3 by n of S3 equal to 5 by 14. That's all this. Okay, ma'am. Next, this model it's based on the making a condition. It's a very important. So give concentration in this. So listen. A bag contains 15 balls. So total number of balls are 15, of which some are white and others are red. So in a bag we have 15 balls. Here some balls are red and some balls are white. If the probability of drawing a red ball is twice that of a white ball. So we have 15 balls no more. Here we have some red, some white. Here the condition of red ball is twice of the white ball. Next, find the number of white balls in the bag. So we need to find the total number of white balls. How we find? So listen. Total number of balls is 15 now. We have two category of balls. So here red ball I take it as X. Next we need to find white ball. So red ball I took X. Total number of balls is 15. How we find the white ball? So total number of balls minus red ball is white ball. So 15 minus X. What's according to the condition? What is the condition? Listen. Red ball is twice that the white ball. So red ball is, what is the red ball? X. So total number of probability denominator. So X by 50 now, because total number of balls is 50. So red ball, this is red ball. This is red ball. Red ball is twice the white ball. So what is the red ball condition? X by 15 is equal to twice now 2 into red white ball. White ball now 15 minus X by 50 now. Okay, next multiply here. 2 into 15 minus X divided by 15 equal to X by 15. 15 cancel. Do the simplification, you will be getting X is equal to 10. Next, what is the total number of red ball? Red ball we take it as X. What is X value? 10. So total number of red balls in the bag 10. Next, number of white balls now 15 minus X. So 15. X value we found X is equal to 10. So 15 minus 10 is equal to 5. This is the number of white balls. I hope you all understand this. Okay, 33rd sum is in the same one of 32. Listen. A bag contains 6 red balls and some blue balls. Here they given total balls, they asked to find the different category. Here one type of balls they given the number 6 red balls and some blue balls. So we need to find the blue ball. If the probability of the drawing a blue ball is twice that the red ball, same according to the previous condition. Here the blue ball is twice that of the red ball. So find the number of blue balls. So listen ma. So we know the red ball value. So blue balls you take it as X. What is the number of red balls? 6. So total balls X plus 6. Why we are adding this? Because that is the total number of probability. We need to write the denominator. Next, probability of blue ball equal to, what is given? The number of blue ball is equal to twice of the number of red balls. So probability of blue ball equal to twice of the probability of the red ball. Okay, listen clearly. What is the probability of blue ball? Blue ball we take it as X. So X divided by total number of possible. What is the total balls? X plus 6 equal to twice of the probability of the red balls. So 2 into red ball is 6 by X plus 6. Next, X by X plus 6 equal to 6 2s are 12. So 12 by X plus 6. X plus 6, X plus 6 cancel. So X is equal to 12. What we take it as X? X is the blue ball. So number of blue balls equal to 12. So total number of blue balls 12, red ball 6. So in a bag contain 18 balls. Okay students, I hope you all understand this. It's a very simple exercise only. You can do it everything properly. Thank you students.